Unlocking decade-long wealth with 3 tech stocks you can't ignore. Are you ready to uncover the tech titans poised to dominate the next decade and potentially multiply your investments significantly? In a world that's constantly evolving, driven by technological breakthroughs, identifying the right companies to back for the long haul can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. But what if I told you that hidden in plain sight are a few select businesses with such strong fundamentals and forward-looking strategies that they are practically screaming long-term growth? Today we're diving deep into 3 such powerhouses. We'll explore a global leader in the foundational building blocks of all modern technology, the very bedrock upon which our digital world is constructed. Then we'll shift our focus to a pioneer in connecting billions of people worldwide, a company that has not only revolutionized how we interact but is also boldly shaping the future of digital immersion. And finally, we'll examine a giant in safeguarding our digital lives and the critical infrastructure of businesses everywhere, an unsung hero in an increasingly complex and dangerous online environment. These aren't just fleeting trends, these are companies building the future. If you only watch one video today, make sure you watch this one, all the way till the end. You won't want to miss the insights we're about to share. And hey, if you're getting value, do me a solid, hit the like button. Let's get 1,000 likes on this one. Share the video with someone who needs to see it, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Most importantly, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on the next important financial investing update from yours truly, Galore. Alright folks, let's kick things off with our first pick. A company that, in my opinion, is one of the most critical technology companies on the planet, yet many everyday investors might not fully grasp its sheer dominance and importance. I'm talking about Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, trading under the ticker TSM. Now when you hear semiconductors, you might think of chip designers, but TSM is in a league of its own. They are the world's largest dedicated independent semiconductor foundry. What does that mean, foundry? Well, imagine you have a brilliant architect who designs a revolutionary skyscraper. That's your chip designer like Apple, Nvidia, or AMD. But that architect doesn't actually build the skyscraper themselves. They need a master builder, someone with the specialized tools, expertise, and massive factories to bring that blueprint to life with exacting precision. That master builder in the world of advanced microchips is TSM. They don't design their own branded chips, they manufacture chips for others. This pure-play foundry model has allowed TSM to focus all its energy and immense R&D budget on one thing, perfecting the art and science of semiconductor manufacturing. And let me tell you, they have excelled beyond measure. They are the undisputed leader in advanced process nodes. We're talking about the 7nm, 5nm, and now even 3nm chips that power the most sophisticated devices and AI applications on the market. These are the chips that make your smartphone smart, your gaming console immersive, and AI data centers hum. The complexity involved in manufacturing these chips is almost beyond comprehension. We're talking about features on a chip that are thousands of times thinner than a human hair, built up layer by painstaking layer in massive ultra-clean fabrication plants or fabs that cost billions of dollars to construct. TSM has mastered this incredibly difficult process, giving them a significant technological moat that is incredibly hard for competitors to breach. Their client list reads like a who's who of the tech world. Think about the most powerful graphics cards, the fastest CPUs, the most efficient mobile processors. Chances are TSM had a hand in making them. This reliance by so many tech giants gives TSM incredible leverage and a clear view into the future demand of the entire industry. They are not just a supplier, they are a strategic partner for innovation for countless companies, a silent enabler of the technological progress we see all around us. Now let's talk about market dominance. TSM isn't just a leader, they are leader. They command over 50% of the global semiconductor foundry market. But here's the kicker. When you look at the most advanced, cutting-edge nodes, the ones that everyone wants for high-performance applications, TSM's market share is even higher, often exceeding 90% for specific advanced nodes. This is a level of dominance rarely seen in any industry, let alone one as critical as semiconductors. This dominance isn't accidental. It's built on decades of relentless innovation, massive capital investment, and an unwavering commitment to quality and customer service. The barriers to entry in this business are astronomically high. You need tens of billions of dollars just to build a single advanced fab, and then you need the deep technological expertise and years of experience to actually run it efficiently and produce high yields. It's not a business you can just decide to enter overnight. While there are other players like Samsung Foundry and Intel's burgeoning foundry services, TSM has consistently maintained its lead in process technology and manufacturing scale. This leadership translates directly into pricing power and incredibly stable, long-term revenue streams. Customers are willing to pay a premium for TSM's reliability and access to the most advanced manufacturing processes, creating a virtuous cycle of investment and innovation. The geopolitical significance of TSM cannot be overstated either. Located in Taiwan, the company is often referred to as part of Taiwan's Silicon Shield. The world's dependence on TSM for critical semiconductors is a major factor in global economics and politics. This adds a layer of complexity, sure, but it also underscores just how indispensable this company has become to the global technological ecosystem. So what about future growth? This is where it gets really exciting for TSM. The demand for advanced semiconductors is not just growing, it's exploding. Think about the AI revolution we're currently witnessing. AI models require an immense amount of computing power, and that means a voracious appetite for the high-performance chips that TSM specializes in making. Every AI server, every AI-powered application fuels demand for their services. Then you have the Internet of Things, IoT, where billions of devices will become connected and intelligent. You have the rollout of 5G technology, which requires more sophisticated chips in both infrastructure and devices. The automotive sector is another huge growth driver, as cars become increasingly like computers on wheels, packed with sensors, infotainment systems, and autonomous driving capabilities. All these trends point to a sustained surge in demand for TSM's manufacturing prowess. TSM is not resting on its laurels either. They are aggressively expanding their manufacturing footprint, with new fabs planned or under construction in the United States, Arizona, Japan, and Germany. This geographic diversification is strategically important, helping to mitigate some geopolitical risks and bringing production closer to key customers. It also demonstrates their commitment to meeting the anticipated future demand head-on. Furthermore, TSM continues to push the boundaries of semiconductor technology. They are already well into the development of 2-nanometer and even 1.4-nanometer process nodes. This relentless pursuit of Moore's Law, or its modern equivalent, ensures that they will remain at the forefront of the industry for years to come. Next up on our list of tech titans for the next decade is a company that virtually everyone knows, a pioneer that has fundamentally changed how we connect, share, and consume information. I'm talking about Meta Platforms, trading under the ticker Meta. From an investment perspective, its reach, resources, and ambition are undeniable. Meta, formerly known as Facebook, is the parent company of Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Messenger. Billions of people use these platforms every day to connect, discover content, and engage with businesses. This massive user base is the core of Meta's incredible power and influence. The evolution of Meta from a single social network to a family of apps has been a masterclass in network effects. Meta has expertly navigated this, acquiring key platforms like Instagram and WhatsApp. Their primary monetization model is advertising. Meta offers advertisers an unparalleled ability to reach highly targeted audiences at scale. This has made it one of the two largest players in the digital advertising market globally. Meta has shown its ability to adapt and innovate in the face of new competitive pressures. For example, the rise of short-form video popularized by TikTok presented a significant challenge. Meta responded by developing and promoting Reels across Instagram and Facebook. Meta's ambitions extend far beyond traditional social media. This brings us to their pioneering efforts in virtual and augmented reality, spearheaded by their Reality Labs division. Mark Zuckerberg has laid out a bold vision for the metaverse, an immersive, interconnected set of digital spaces. Meta is investing billions annually to build out the foundational technologies for this future. Their Quest line of VR headsets has become the market leader in consumer VR. They are building the on-ramps to their vision of the metaverse. The applications for VR and AR go far beyond just gaming. They envision virtual workspaces, new forms of social interaction, and immersive educational experiences. While the full realization of this vision is still many years away, the potential is transformative. The sheer scale of Meta's user base is a critical asset. Nearly 3 billion daily active users across its family of apps. No other company except Google has this kind of direct connection to such a vast portion of the world's population. This user base provides an enormous built-in audience for any new products or services Meta launches. This massive audience is incredibly attractive to advertisers. The ability to target specific demographics with precision advertising drives Meta's core business. Meta has been developing new AI-powered advertising tools to maintain and improve ad effectiveness. Beyond the metaverse, Meta continues to pursue other innovative projects. Their AI research is world-class, integrated into every aspect of their platforms. AI is a critical enabler for both their existing businesses and future ambitions. They are also working on augmented reality glasses, which could represent the next major computing platform. AR glasses that can overlay digital information onto the real world have long been seen as a holy grail in tech. This is another long-term bet, but one with potentially enormous upside. Meta has also been focusing heavily on efficiency and profitability. Mark Zuckerberg declared a year of efficiency, involving significant cost-cutting measures. This has been well received by investors, leading to improved margins and a renewed focus on profitability. Our third and final tech stock to buy and hold for the next decade is a company operating in a sector that has become absolutely indispensable in our increasingly digital world, cybersecurity. I'm talking about Palo Alto Networks, trading under the ticker PANW. In an era where cyber threats are constantly evolving and growing in sophistication, Palo Alto Networks stands as a giant, a leader in protecting businesses, governments, and critical infrastructure. First, let's appreciate why cybersecurity is so critical. Every single day we hear about new data breaches, ransomware attacks, and sophisticated cyber espionage campaigns. The financial and reputational damage from these attacks can be catastrophic for organizations. As more of our lives and business operations move online, the attack surface expands, making robust cybersecurity not just a nice-to-have, but an absolute necessity. It's a fundamental pillar of the modern digital economy. Palo Alto Networks started its journey primarily known for its next-generation firewalls, which were a significant step up from traditional firewall technology. However, the company has brilliantly evolved far beyond that. They have strategically transformed themselves into a comprehensive cybersecurity platform provider, offering a suite of integrated solutions that cover network security, cloud security, and security operations. This platform approach is a key differentiator. Their main product pillars are Strata, which encompasses their industry-leading network security solutions including those next-gen firewalls, Prisma, which is focused on securing the cloud, a critical area as more companies migrate their workloads and data to cloud environments, and Cortex, their advanced security operations platform that leverages AI and machine learning for threat detection, analytics, and automated response. This holistic approach addresses the multifaceted nature of modern cyber threats. Palo Alto Networks has consistently been recognized as a leader by industry analysts like Gartner and Forrester in multiple cybersecurity categories. This isn't just marketing fluff, it reflects their technological superiority, comprehensive vision, and strong market execution. They are not just keeping pace with cyber threats, they are often defining the next generation of security solutions needed to combat them. The importance of a company like Palo Alto Networks in the digital age cannot be overstated. Consider the major trends. Digital transformation is accelerating across all industries, with businesses relying more than ever on digital tools and data. Cloud adoption is rampant, creating new security challenges as traditional network perimeters dissolve. The shift to remote and hybrid work models has distributed workforces, expanding the potential points of vulnerability. All these trends dramatically increase the demand for advanced cybersecurity solutions. Businesses need to protect their sensitive data, intellectual property, customer information, and operational continuity. Governments need to secure critical national infrastructure and citizen data. Palo Alto Networks provides the tools and expertise to address these complex and ever-evolving challenges, making them an essential partner in the digital ecosystem. Now, let's look at their growth trajectory, which has been nothing short of impressive. Palo Alto Networks has consistently delivered strong revenue growth, driven by both organic innovation and a smart acquisition strategy. They have successfully acquired and integrated numerous smaller companies with cutting-edge technologies, allowing them to rapidly expand their platform capabilities and enter new, high-growth segments of the cybersecurity market. A key aspect of their growth story is the successful transition to a subscription-based, recurring revenue model. This shift from primarily selling hardware appliances to selling software subscriptions and cloud-delivered services provides more predictable revenue streams, higher margins, and greater customer lifetime value. This is a model that investors love, as it indicates a stable and scalable business. Their customer base is also expanding rapidly, encompassing some of the largest enterprises and government organizations globally. Once a customer adopts the Palo Alto Networks platform, there are significant opportunities for cross-selling and upselling additional modules and services. This land and expand strategy is a powerful growth engine, as customers deepen their reliance on PANW's integrated security architecture. Innovation is at the heart of Palo Alto Networks' strategy. They invest heavily in research and development, particularly in leveraging artificial intelligence and machine learning to automate threat detection, predict future attacks, and streamline security operations. In the cat-and-mouse game of cybersecurity, staying ahead of the attackers requires constant innovation, and PANW is committed to leading that charge. The cybersecurity market itself is highly fragmented, with many point solution vendors. Palo Alto Networks' strategy of market consolidation, by offering a unified platform that can replace multiple disparate security tools, is resonating with customers who are looking to simplify their security stack, reduce complexity, and improve overall security posture. This platformization trend is a major tailwind for PNW. Looking at their financials, key metrics like annual recurring revenue, ARR, and billings growth have been consistently strong, indicating healthy demand and future revenue visibility. So there you have it, folks. 3 incredible tech companies, TSM, the foundational chipmaker, Meta, connecting billions and exploring new digital frontiers, and Palo Alto Networks, our cyber guardian. These are businesses with strong moats, significant growth runways, and the potential to deliver substantial returns over the next decade. But remember, thorough due diligence is always key. If you're enjoying these stock tips and you're ready to level up your investing skills, I've got something game-changing for you. I've just relaunched my Value Stocks Investing Master Course, designed to teach you the exact principles used by investing legends like Warren Buffett and Benjamin Graham. But this isn't just theory. You'll learn how to spot undervalued companies using real-world metrics, build a high-quality portfolio, and protect your investments, no matter what the market throws at you. Whether you're just starting out or want to sharpen your strategy, this course gives you the tools and confidence to grow real, long-term wealth. It's packed with step-by-step lessons, powerful insights, and practical strategies you won't find anywhere else. So if you're serious about investing smarter and building a future you're proud of, click the link in the description and pinned comment to join today. Trust me, your future self will thank you. If you want exclusive stock tips, in-depth analysis, real-time trade alerts, and free investing guides, join the Stocks Galore Patreon today and take your investing game to the next level. Our members there get full in-depth analysis on most of these stocks I mention here. Head over to patreon.com/StocksGalore and become part of our growing community of smart investors. Link is in the description. Hit the like button. Let's get 1,000 likes on this one. Share the video and leave your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the next important financial investing update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.